I'm also trying to take a trade that I just a signal I just gave to my student, and I also want to take the trade, although because of this recording I may not be able to start checking. Okay, maybe I have to pause to just go and check if it's still on. It's really amazing how internet can really mess you up when you're about trading. I've not been able to place the trade because my internet is misbehaving. Right now it's not even moving, so and you cannot be trading blind. If you want to trade, please make sure that you have a good internet to trade with. Don't make any assumption, because once you lose, your money is gone. I've missed my entry, so I'm going to probably wait a bit and try and get one. Okay, my internet actually frozen, so I could not really do any stunt of trading because the internet froze while I was about to take the trade, and you really have to monitor what you're doing. So this is us, giving out the signal. 9:54 p.m. so 10:10 it has already finished. I'm still trying to see if I can still do one or two trades. Okay, this is the first person I'm seeing saying somebody says here, thank you sir, I really appreciate the 2 trades already. Yeah, that's the plan. Thank you sir, I took 3 trades. Oga, no 3 trades, just 2. Do 2 next time, just 2. Okay, somebody else say I took 15% off 25 index, so that's just 2. This person said I just located the main group. Okay, all right. But he was still able to do trade anyway. They are all doing this with their real money. Real money. The plan is for us to make money during this period. So there is another person posting their trade result. There is another person saying 2 trades taken. Good. Then we have another person here posting, done for today, thanks Mr. Faith, God bless you. All right, that's good. There's another person taking 25. 25 index is still going to repeat itself anyway afterwards. Maybe before I round up with this recording, I may be able to take one, but okay, what I'll do is this. The flow is still there, but it's not that strong. Okay, this is another person. I took 3 trades and in all money. Okay, picks of 1. I don't want to flood the group. Okay, all right, thank you. Congratulations to all those who took the trade. Okay, this is another person taking the trade of 25 index. It's just one signal in a day where we had 2 at the same time, 100 and 25, but 25 was more stable than 100. 100 was just moving a little bit. Now, this is another person saying this. Okay, just round up this video. I'm going to reduce all this, and I'm just going to do probably like let's say 10% or something. Now, okay, this is 8%. Okay, 10% will be like 2. Okay, I can still dig it. Okay, I'm waiting for a pullback. Yeah, I don't know whether my phone is faster than my system. I don't even know. The internet sluggishness is somehow. Okay, I may have to pause and take this trade. Who cares anyway? Okay, I've just entered. So I'm just trading for 10%. So not a problem. The trend is still there anyway, so it will put me through. Okay, you can see trade there for 10%. So that's $9.94. Okay, that's $9.94. That's one trade, and you make $10. So imagine if you can be trading every day and you are making $10 or $20. $10 or $20 will make a lot to you, won't it? But you see, you need to focus. You need to learn to be disciplined. You learn the pattern first. You can see people on my group, they are still posting. It is not a get-rich scheme. You have to learn the rudiment first. Don't just come and say blah. You just want to start making money like that. No, it doesn't just work like that. I'm trying to see if I can do one more trade. The signal is still there, but okay. I've just placed one more trade. So let's see how it goes. All right, you can see just one tick. That's because it's just 10%. So all the same, I've been able to make like 20%. Just 2 trades. That's what I asked them to do. Now, imagine I started with $100 on 104 or something. Now I have 127. Okay, probably maybe I should show you my profit table. Those trades were taken just now while I'm talking to you about the same signal I gave to them. Do I lose? Yes, you can see losses there. This trade, I think it was my internet. So that's why I had to pause for that trade that I took, because if you're taking trades and you are not watching your internet, you are probably going to be losing. You're going to enter wrongly. So your internet has to be very good. And I think today I've also traded with Bitcoin. So you need to understand. I've traded with some Bitcoin. You can see all these were trades done today with Bitcoin. Now I was playing around with the Bitcoin anyway. So it's fun trading, and you can get to do this every day. It's very fun doing this. You can get to do it every day. It's just that I don't think I have my. If I could get my alert, and probably maybe I will do one more trade for 25. That's if I get an alert, but not if not. 2 trades a day is okay. Just do trade. Imagine you making like $20 every day. $20 is like 8,000 naira, my brother. There are so many people who go outside, go to work, go to stuff, and they don't get this. Look at this. The same trade I'm taking, some of my students are also taking the trades. You can see them, 2 trades taken on volatility 25, a 16% profit. Thank you. Okay, that's just what I'm waiting for. Yay! Oh God. Can I still enter? Push up. I missed that entry, man. If it pulls up, I may want to try it. Okay, I missed the entry anyway. I missed that entry. It's not nice when you've missed the entry. You are now forcing it. I missed the entry. That alarm came for is the same alarm, is the same signal entry. So you can see my paid student always have access to that. So now I've made $30. $30. How many minutes? 7 minutes. I started this recording under 7 minutes. I've made $30. You too can do this, but hey, don't go and jump into this thing. You have to learn. There are proper ways to do this thing. You can see dollar galore. Okay, 3 trades taken with 10% with $2. You can see people trading it. I told them to start with as small as they can. The plan is to help them understand and build their confidence. And I'm glad a lot of people, a lot of my students are participating. So this is the day 2. We've had day 1. It was wonderful, and we've also had day 2. I think maybe probably from my what's it called? Let me see. Where is my gallery? Oh, I don't even know where my gallery is. I wanted to show you pictures from yesterday's zone so that you get to understand. I've had a lot of screenshots. So okay, Telegram. These are from yesterday's zone. You can see them. That's the first day for yesterday, and they were all wonderful. We had people who also made this profit. So you need to understand, is this doable? Can anybody do this? Yes, anybody can do this, but first learn, and then follow the guide. Don't just think this is just happening. You're seeing people posting and doing all this. I'm also using this medium to guide my students so that they all get the right result. Now you can see, once you're done, you've hit your target, stop, close. Don't bother yourself. This is $30. This is like making 12,000 naira every day. So imagine if you're making 12,000 naira every day, in 10 days you would have made 120k. Yes, 120k. So God bless you. If you would like to learn this and enroll, I'm having both online and on-site training. Now there will be on-site workshop. It's going to be a workshop, 3 days, 4 days and more, but I'm still trying to work it out so that it's not going to disturb my plan and my projection of things I'm doing. You need to understand, anybody can do this. Once you have the basic, you can see this is real money, so forget it. You can make money. Anybody can do this. God bless you. See you in another time.